In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to optimize your strategies, analyze data, and find better trade entries. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, AI can help you improve your results and avoid common trading mistakes. Do you use a TradingView strategy but feel you could get better results? Too many false signals, not considering market volatility, don't know how to optimize parameters. With ChatGPT, you can improve your strategy without coding or advanced technical analysis. Stay until the end of the tutorial. I will show you real examples and explain how you can join the OneFX trading group completely free. Why do many TradingView strategies fail? Many traders rely on basic indicators without deeper analysis. They don't optimize their parameters and use default settings that don't fit the current market conditions. But what if I told you that you can upgrade your strategy for free without buying expensive TradingView scripts? With ChatGPT, you can do the following: test different parameters, add better filters, optimize your trading system. ChatGPT is not just for text. It can analyze code, fix errors, and suggest improvements. Here's how AI can help. Need a Pine script strategy? Ask ChatGPT to write one for you. Here is the example. Write a Pine script strategy where 50 exponential moving average crosses above 200 exponential moving average with the RSI filter. Already using a strategy but want to improve it? Here is the example. How can I optimize my risk-reward ratio in this Pine script strategy? Do I want to add maybe new features, alerts when a signal appears, trailing stop loss to protect profits, filtering signals based on volatility? Here is the example. Add code to ignore signals when RSI is below 40 or above 60. Now let's jump on my PC for a live demo. Okay guys, so the first step of course is to enter ChatGPT, but for this case we are not going to use just a simple regular ChatGPT, we are going to explore GPTs, and here in the search we are going to type TradingView. As you can see, we have so many different search results here. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose the one with the highest conversations. This one, over 100k conversations, 3.7 star reviews. I'm going to click Start Chat, and while I'm waiting to enter the chat with this PineScript TradingView creator, I'm going to open TradingView itself. So the first step here is to click Indicators, and in the search type strategy. Here under community strategy, I'm going to choose one for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's say ultimate strategy template, and when I right click, the first step here is to click indicators, and in the search tab I'm going to type strategy. And down under community strategies, I'm going to choose one, let's say RSI strategy. Okay, so the first step in TradingView, I'm going to click on indicators, and in the search tab I'm going to type strategy. For example of the tutorial, I'm going to choose one out of the community strategies, let's say MA strategy, and when I click on that one, go to strategy tester, I'm going to see the total amount of trades, percent profitability, and profit factor as well. Here we have beautiful, of course, percentage that's profitable trades, and let's try to improve this strategy even more. The next thing that you're going to do is right click here, click on the source code, and here below you in the Pine editor, you're going to select the whole script. Want to trade with clear signals and a solid strategy? Join the OneFX trading group. What do you get inside? Daily market analysis and precise signals. 2 to 6 signals per day, fully transparent results, no hidden losses, and of course my 24/7 live support. How can you join for free? Open a real trading account through my broker with a minimum of $500 to $1,000, or buy a funded challenge and let me pass it for you. Link and full details are in the descriptions below. See you inside. Go back to ChatGPT, paste it, and scroll down, and let's type: please improve this trading strategy as much as possible. And while we are waiting for the improvement, he's probably going to improve the strategy in the few segments, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to maintain everything into one Pine script that I can re-upload here, creating a new working copy. So this is only read-only mode. to edit and create new, I'm going to click create working copy, and here let's see. Okay, he's creating the code. I'm going to wait a little bit for this. Okay, so now he's here, he's explaining what he did, and now I'm just going to copy the code, go back here, select all, paste, and click add to chart, and here we have improvement. And if you have any issues with ChatGPT, like here, as you can see, let's check the first 2 out of 2 problems. Okay, the first problem is here. I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to find the second problem as well. I'm just going to copy these 2 problems and I will paste in ChatGPT, and he's going to fix this, as you can see, fixed and optimized version. And again, I'm going just to paste the new code here. So let me wait until ChatGPT finish the new enhanced code. Okay, he's done so let's go back. Okay, I'm pasting the new code. I'm going to update the chart, and as you can see, and once you paste the correct code, the mistakes will be removed. So that was the first type that you can use, combining ChatGPT with TradingView. The second thing that you can also do is like go here again, strategy, and then you can choose, let's say, super trend strategy. Let's delete the previous one, and when we go to the source code, I'm going to copy the code, and let's say, for example, this strategy tester is really making nice percentage of profit with a good profit factor. This one is not, but let's say you want to learn and you saw a really good strategy and you want to learn what did they do to create it. So okay, once I pasted the code, I told ChatGPT to explain everything in detail so I can learn the strategy behind this. So now he's going with key inputs, ATR, period, source, multiplier, show, buy, sell signals, everything else, also strategy logic, so what is the logic behind the strategy, and of course visual representation. You can always let's say change the colors and everything else, but this is really good when it comes to learning the strategy itself. There is countless of strategies out here on TradingView, and I'm sure that you guys want to learn and not just pay some expensive trading systems, when you can use this type of method and either improve the strategy itself or even learn the core of that trading strategy. In the upcoming tutorials, I'll open an account, deposit around 1,000 euros and trade using ChatGPT, or maybe create a funded strategy and pass a funded challenge using ChatGPT. I have many different ideas for content, but I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, if you want free access to my The One FX trading group, just open a real trading account using my broker, minimum first deposit 500 to 1000 USD, or buy a funded challenge and let me pass the challenge for you guys. All details are in the video descriptions down below. See you in the next one. Bye.